Oh, okay. I'm doing it wrong. See? That's why you should read instructions, I suppose. Oh my God. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to add wireless charging to your Chrysler 300. And they also support a bunch of other models, so you can check the website out and see if they support your car, if it's something other than a Chrysler. But we're going to be checking this out. So I came across this on Amazon kind of by accident. I was just scrolling, but it kind of went in line with the video I did a few days ago about whether or not you should buy a Chrysler 300 in 2026. Now, one of the points I made in that video was that the Chrysler is lacking some modern technology. Of course, the Uconnect system is a bit dated. It's still functional for me, but one of the things I pointed out was that wireless charging is a feature that we find on a lot of cars these days, but it's missing on the Chrysler. So I thought it was pretty interesting when I came across this and decided to go ahead and try it out because this would actually solve that problem. So this is going to actually go right here. And it's going to use the 12-volt outlet here to plug in. That's where it's going to get its power from. But you're just going to slide your phone on it. Now, one thing I will say is an immediate con for this is that you're going to lose the ability to close this. So if that's something that you want to maintain, this probably isn't the product for you. But if you're okay with this being left open like that, then this may work. So let's go ahead and take a look in the box, see what we get here. So this is it. As you can see, it's going to use, looks like a USB cord that comes with it to plug in. So pretty simple install. Let's go ahead and get it installed and test it out. All right, so here's the main unit. We're going to flip this upside down, and there's a USB-C port right here. And we're just going to plug this in. It's going to go in this way. So then we can take this and just plug it in here. One thing too, before I connect it, is you do get a USB port here that you can use. So that's pretty cool. If you need to charge your phone or something like that, you don't lose the functionality of that 12-volt connector. So it's a nice feature. This is where it's going to charge. That's the pad itself. And that's pretty much it. There's a power button there, of course. But let's go ahead and get it connected. Slide this in, and we should be in business. All right, guys, so I have it installed. It does make a difference which way this plug is oriented. At first, I had it upside down so it wasn't powering on. So make sure you have it facing the right way, and you'll be good. You can see that the blue power button is now on. That's off right there. All right, so I have my iPhone here with the case on it, and I'm going to go ahead and just toss it up in there. If you look here on CarPlay, you can see the battery indicator right there is showing it's charging. And then when I take the phone off, you see that it goes away. The fitment of this, it does sit up a little bit, which is a good thing because it's not going to scratch up your trim piece here. And it also sits up a little bit at an angle to keep the phone slanted down to make sure that it keeps a good connection on it. And let me see, because I almost feel like I feel a little bit of magnetism in there when it connects. So I don't think this thing's going to slide around. I'll have to do some driving, but it's in there pretty sturdy, so should be good. One other thing I picked up was these right here, these 300 cup holder inserts. So both of these items, the cup holder inserts and the wireless charging module here, we'll have on our Amazon storefront. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and check the links in the description of this video to pick these up. But yeah, if you're looking for an easy way to charge your phone, there it is. And like I said, the only downside to this is just that you're not going to be able to close this anymore, which is a shame. I wish there was a way to be able to allow that, but it's not a deal breaker for me. And honestly, I'm not in my car enough to really need a wireless charger. Where I see this coming into play at is if I go on a trip. You know, I definitely see it coming into play then, the wireless charging. And if you're going to have the wireless charger, you're also going to want one of these, this CarPlay adapter. This allows the 300 to have wireless Apple CarPlay. So, you know, then you're totally wireless. You can still have Apple CarPlay running and charge your phone wirelessly at the same time. It's a great combination. Alright guys, so that'll do it for this video. Just wanted to show you this product real quick. Another way to kind of modernize your Chrysler 300, and like I said, they have it for other models of cars as well, so definitely check this out. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.